So we have this question on complex numbers, and it reads, plot the complex numbers Z1, Z2, and Z3 on an Argand diagram. Then on the same diagram, we're supposed to plot these other complex numbers. So let's start with the first part. So to plot the complex number 3 plus 2i, let's first go on our Cartesian plane that we have here. So first of all, it's important to note that the y-axis represents the imaginary. So this is the imaginary of z, and the x-axis represents the real. The x-axis represents the real. So this means that the complex number 3, 2i, we just have to find the 3. Let's say that our 3 is here. Then our 2 is here in the x-axis. Oh, sorry, it's supposed to be the opposite actually. So in the y-axis we have 2, which is here, and x-axis we have 3, which is here. So where those points meet is somewhere here. So this here is our z1. So this is our z1, which is equals to 3 plus 2i. The next complex number is -1 plus 4i. So -1 in the x is here. Here's our -1. And 4 in the y is here. It's our 4. So means that our complex number is right here. This is where they meet. So let's label this as Z2. Next we have Z3, which is negative. So -2 in the x is here. This is our -2. And -3 in the y is here. So it means that our complex number is right here. So let's label it as well. This is Z3. Okay, so we have plotted those 3. Now let's look at this part that we've been given. So we've been told to say plot the complex numbers, 3 of them. We have to plot z, z plus 2, and z minus 3i. So z has been given as this complex number here. Z is equals to I, or rather 1 minus I. So where is 1 minus I? 1 minus I means that in the real part we have a 1, positive. In the imaginary part we have a -1 here. So that complex number is right here. So I'm going to label it as Z. Then the next one is Z plus 2. Now, if we want to find the complex number Z plus 2, we first have to replace what Z is. Remember, Z is 1 minus I, so plus 2. So if I group like terms, this will be 1 plus 3 minus I, so giving us 4 minus I. So this is the complex number we're plotting. So Z plus 2 is equals to this complex number here. So I'll just write here, Z plus 2 is the complex number 4 minus I. So let's find where we can find that on the plane. So 4 is positive. Positive 4 is here in the x, and the imaginary is negative. So the point we're looking for is this one here. This is the point we need. Let's label it Z plus 2. Z plus 2. Okay, so next we have to find the complex number Z minus 3i. So we know what Z is. Z is 1 minus I. Then we have minus 3i. So this means that this is 1 minus 4i. So 1 minus 4i. So it's positive in the real part. So positive 1, we have it right here. And it's negative in the imaginary. So negative 4 is here. So the point we're interested in is this point here. Then I can label it. This is the point Z minus 3i. So there you have it.